Hey guys, welcome back to the Backyard Collector channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my Nascar Zippo and ashtray set. Now I got this from my grandpa who bought it new back in 1999. I got this for my birthday last year, so I'm gonna show it to you. Now this is a high polish Zippo, so that means that your fingerprints get all over it really easy. So that's why I like to keep a cloth, like a microfiber type thing, and wipe it off when I'm done with it. But here it is. See if we can focus on it. Yeah, there we go. Very nice checkered design. Same design as the Smoke and Joe's Racing Zippo that I have, except it says NASCAR. Wipe that. Very nice. Now let's look at the bottom stamp. Oh, come on. There we go. So, there we are. Alright, now that I've shown you the lighter, let's get the ashtray up here. NASCAR tire tray is what it's called. Yep, says that on both sides. R.J. Reynolds Tobacco Company. Made in China. And if you were wondering, the ashtray does come out of the tire. So, you just kind of squeeze it back in there. Yeah, so just wanted to make a video about this. I've had it for over a year, and I've never made a video about it. So, I thought I'd make one today, and that's it. Stay tuned for future videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.